morning everyone, it's the start of another week again. I don't even know what time it is. It's 12:09. Don't worry, I've not just got out of bed. Got out of bed an hour ago. So I'm going to do Advent. I've got a haul to do later. Because I mentioned that in my last vlog. If you haven't seen it, that went up live at 11 o'clock today. Every time I start to record, I yawn. It's annoying. Dan got a snowman today and it was Star's turn for Advent. Let's see what that got. Little flowers. Okay. Oh, what's that? It's like little. Why do they put tape on paper, knowing it's gonna rip? Oh no. Well, I've ruined that. But it's a little. I think they might be sticky pads. But whoever made the advent calendar put sellotape on them, so now it's ruined. But I can use the ones underneath. Let me show you a better one. How annoying is that? I've got hair on me. My hair keeps falling out and I've developed another bald patch and I'm not very happy about it. Right. Oh, straight in front. I have no idea who that is. Okay, so got her out. I don't know who it is, so if you know who it is, let me know in the comments down below. But here she is. So that is Advent done for today, and I'll catch up with you guys later when I do my haul. So everyone, I am going to do my haul. It's about 3:30 Monday. And I'm having a lovely snack. I mean, Americans are so lucky to have these in their country because they're just so amazing. There's some Cheez-Its. Just really, really nice. Right, let's get on to the haul. So in the last video, if you didn't see it, I did a little hint of what one of the items in the haul is. So I'll play it again. So that's one of the clue. So I'll show that item last and get onto this item. So my sister got me this. Yeah, it's still got the price on it. So it comes in this lovely box, which I think is just stunning. And it comes with a 2021 calendar, which I do already have. So now I've got two, but that doesn't matter. Plus a diary and a pen. So I'll show you guys. So yeah, I already, like, if I did in one of my hauls I did ages ago, I already got the calendar. But now I've got two. So there's the calendar. And if I was a popular channel, I would have done a giveaway. Okay, so then, the pens fell out, but pen, diary. So here's the pen, it's really nice, got a bit of weight to it as well. And I love this diary because obviously as Stranger Things is set in like the 80s, the kind of, yeah. The pages in the diary look so vintage. You know, like when you're a kid, you make posters, you get like a tea bag and you make the paper look old. That's what it looks like in this diary and I really love it. So I'll just put this away and then I'll show you the next item. Guys, I'm such an idiot. I was literally showing YouTube what I got, but then I realised I actually wasn't recording. But now I am. So first, before I show you, my mum has made me a nice meal. She was going to have some too, but she had a COVID booster yesterday and she just don't feel like eating it all. And when Iceland first opened, I think this is when the first time I saw these, and they're like little tiny cones that come with fish and chips, and we found some in Aldi, so she's done me some of those, so that's great. So now I'm going to show you my item that sings. So my sister went to Build-A-Bear and she got me a KK. I mean, he sings really sweetly. I mean, I've not played Animal Crossing in a while because with changing rooms, my Switch is put away. So he's so cute, and now he matches with Bumpy Dog. Isn't he just sweet? Oh my god, he's adorable. Does anyone else like KK? Right, so now I'm going to put these lovely Cheez-Its aside whilst I eat my fish and chips, and then I'll be going back to my Cheez-Its. Let's see what my little munchkin gets today. Does anyone else, when they're counting down the days, they forget what day it is already and I have to look up what day it is? Because I do. Oh, she's got little Christmas trees. Hey everyone, so today is the 16th. The way I've been doing my advent calendars is because I just can't really be bothered to film. I'm sorry I'm not in the frame. I've never recorded here before. We're currently dog sitting, so we're staying in this house overnight. Some of you might recognise one of the dogs. Misty! So Misty's my brother's dog and this is his partner's dog, Milo. Hello, beautiful. So yeah, dog sitting. So I've already done my advent because today I've been in Chesterfield all day. So I've done my advent and I'll show you that tomorrow when I open my other one. I got Lord Voldemort and this sticker thing. So I've got some things to do over here. I've brought my AirPods, spare phone, false nails, flat beads, and a book. So that's all what I've brought to entertain myself, and I'm sat here recording, having a nice cup of tea. I think that's everything that I brought. Oh, my beads are getting mixed. Also, I've decided, as it's December, I'm not going to be doing weekly vlogs. I'm just going to end the vlog when I feel like there's enough content and then upload it. So you might get a few videos a week or something like that. So I might end the vlog on maybe tomorrow and then upload it the next day. I don't even remember what day it is. It's Thursday, isn't it? I don't remember the day. Milo! These dogs are just so cute. What's he scoffing? He just ate something. Yes, so my brother asked me if I was doing anything today, and I've never started in a house on my own before, so I asked Mum if she would come as well. What are you doing sitting under the table? You're so cute. And hello, Misty. Oh, my love, you're so cute. Look how cute he is. You're hiding. It's alright, darling. I also made a Christmas card for them, so I'm going to leave it on the table because they're going to this event, and I'm not going to go in too much into detail because it's not for me to say. So I don't know what to do first. Mum's lit the fire, we've got Netflix, so I don't know what we're going to watch later or do later. But yeah, and now, last night I made a flat bead. Third one's the charm. First one, I couldn't tie it because the string was too small. Second one, I tied it and didn't realise that it didn't fit me. Third one is the charm. So yeah, I'll speak to you soon. So everyone, I am back home. I did film this morning, but I come to record again and the clip has completely gone. I'm like, OMG, why? So I'm going to end this vlog because I want to try to get more vlogs in for Vlogmas, and I'm losing subscribers. Again, I'm not getting any views, so I don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do. Oh, it just makes me want to give up. But anyway, yesterday Bella got little fishes and I got Voldemort and where is it? This sticker. Number 2. Oh. Right, so let's see what Bella gets out of number 17. She's got her little flowers today. Onto this one. It's a little round one. And number 18 is going to be round as well. So I wonder if number 18 will be a rubber too. So this is Ravenclaw rubber. I don't know if my first rubber's still downstairs or up here. I'm not quite sure. But I think it was Gryffindor. I don't remember. Feels like the ages. It feels like it's been a while. Because technically it has been a while. Okay, so I think we got a wand in this one, guessing by the size of it. Yep. The doors. Okay, so that's the last one on this side. Have we completed this side yet? No, this is the first side we've completed. Okay. So, here's the one, and we have Harry Potter. I'll do a focus bit at the end. Okay, that is it for Advent. I'm going to get this video up tomorrow. There will be a video today because Dan's Buster Box is here. So I'm going to do that. Let me know what you'd like to see. I've got a piercing video coming soon. I think I might film that tomorrow for Vlogmas. I don't know. But give me some ideas, because I'm open to do anything for you guys. Go and check my playlist, see what you want to see, what you want me to bring back. And I'll try my best to bring whatever. So thank you ever so much for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more. Rate this video. And just comment. My social media links will be in the description down below. There's my account and my pet's account. So yeah, and I'll speak to you in my next video.